morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
attorney.
Our topic today is all about Article 3, Section 14 of the 1987 Constitution. I have a question for you guys. Our legal system foundations include Section 14, Article 3 of the Constitution. Can someone summarize the post?
Professor, it outlines the right of an accused person in a criminal prosecution.
Correct. And what is the most fundamental right?
Attorney, the right to due process. No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, property, without pay.
Excellent, class. Let's bring this to life. Imagine this scenario.
Raul, we have evidence linking you to the robbery.
Just confess.
I don't know anything about the robbery. I was at home.
But Mr. Raul, we have an eyewitness on your trial.
I want a lawyer. I have the right to an attorney.
Yes, you do. You also have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court.
Did Raul rights get violated? Anyone?
No. This time the officers informed me was of his right, which is part of the due process.
Exactly. Let's now move to another key right.
Your Honor, the prosecution will prove beyond a reasonable doubt that accused committed fraud.
I'm innocent. I didn't do it.
I understand. The burden of proof is on the prosecution. Stay composed. Mr. Cruz, are you absolutely certain you saw my client? It was dark, was it not? Well, yes, but no further question, Your Honor.
A good defense attorney challenges the evidence presented.
Indeed, the prosecution must prove guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Other rights of the accused?
The right to remain silent, the right to speedy and public trial, the right to confront witnesses.
Correct. Now, what happens if an accused fails to appear in court?
Where's the accused?
Your Honor, my client was informed of today's hearing. She claims to be unwell but has not provided medical proof.
Your Honor, the prosecution moves forward. The defendant was properly notified.
As the accused has been duly informed and has no valid excuse, the trial will proceed in absentia.
While accused individuals have rights, they must also respect court procedures. If they fail to appear without valid reasons, the trial may continue. Section 14 is more than words. It is the foundation of justice. It protects both the innocent and the accused. Understand it, defend it, and apply it.